Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and I am the Crafty Author. And as promised, I am going to be showing you how I'm overhauling my craft room for 2020. It is a mess right now and it's going to get even messier. This is going to be a video for Sewing Talk Tuesday, so let me tell you what you can expect to see today. You can plan to see me in my pajamas, and my husband too, because it is a Sunday, and we're certainly not getting dressed up to start taking the craft room apart. So if you're offended by pajamas, now is your cue to run away. Otherwise, stay here and we'll have lots of fun. So I'm going to start taking all the stuff that's behind the bookshelves that you're seeing currently. We're going to start taking all that stuff out of there. So I'm going to probably have to speed this video up. Otherwise, you'll be watching hours and hours and hours of footage, which is not going to be a good time. So we're going to go ahead and do that. My husband is going to strap the bookshelves together so that they don't fall and so that they're more sturdy. He was a sweetheart yesterday and he put them all together for me. So I did not even get that on camera. So I do apologize for that. But if you've ever put a bookcase together, you'll know how to do it. So what we're going to do, just so you know, is we are going to put 4 bookshelves along that whole back wall there. And then it's going to have more, everything that you're seeing over there is going to be put in those shelves and also elsewhere. So that's the first part that we're going to start with. So right here is where we need another one of these. So we're going to go get another one, some storage stuff, and then I'll start putting this all together. And it's going to look amazeballs. So I'm excited. And I hope you are too. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. So this is what it looks like. It's a mess everywhere in here. But you can see that we've got those against the wall. We're putting the last one together. This is my unfinished basement that you're getting a full look at. It's a mess. Here's the rest of the stuff that's going to go back into the craft room. There's all our Christmas stuff. Little play area. Anyway, he's going to finish putting all of this together for me, and then we're going to move it into here, and it's going to go along that back wall to the left, and then he's going to build some spots for my ribbon. So yeah, my husband is the ultra not happy handyman. He's not a handyman at all, but he is doing a great job. But he is going to build spots for my ribbon so that I can hang all my ribbon in here on this top portion of the shelving unit. I have a lot of ribbon.
Okay, so what I did was I cut some boards and then I drilled with a big drill bit in the middle, make a little U so that we can mount these on the wall on both sides, and then the dowel rod will fit in between here.
On the wall, or you mean inside the shelf?
Inside the wall shelf here.
Okay, because we're going to...
There will be no shelves on this one.
Right,
this
we're
one
making...
is going to be
this
all
is for the ribbon.
Ribbons.
This is for the ribbon. So
this
is the top of the... You can see this is the top.
It will make sense as we go on, but it won't make
Right.
sense necessarily right now.
Right. So he's just showing you right now how he made these little guys.
Right. And then I made myself a 5-inch base that I can put it on so that I got them at the same height every time. And I know I want my first one to start at 4 inches down. So that's where I'm going there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill this one in. And then I will go to the other side and do the same thing. Yeah, that might help if I maybe pre-drill the first part. How about that? All right, so I took a little drill bit, drilled a hole in there, a pilot hole for the screw first.
We're going to try this
We're
again.
going to give it a try. Don't do this on live TV.
Maybe you need to come at it from this angle. Oh, he's got it.
And
It
just
worked.
like that.
Yay, it worked.
That's what we're going to do.
Okay.
So
we're putting all of these on because our dowel rod is going to go into that little slot. As you can see right there, that little slot.
So what we'll do is we will drill the pilot hole.
And then he's switching it out.
And then we will take this over here so that we get our...
Oh, you're going to do it on this side too?
Well, yeah.
You're doing the opposite sides. All right, so this is what he did. He just put another one of those on the opposite side in here. Now he's going to go cut a dowel rod. Okay, he's back. Look at there. Oh, that's so awesome. And now all my ribbon can fit on here. So we're going to continue doing this all the way down. And then we'll show you when it's finished. But that is how you would do something like that. Okay. Now we're putting brackets on the back to hold these together. So there's 2 of them here. We're going to actually put all 5 of them together, but you have to reinforce them. These are, they're not the most sturdy bookcases that I bought. They're cheaper ones, but they are going to work and they're going to do the job. So I'm not worried about that. But they do need to be braced. So that is what we're doing right now. It is almost 8 o'clock. So it has taken us all day to basically put everything together, move everything out. And then my husband made the stuff for the ribbon holders inside. That was the most time consuming. And once you see it all put together, you will understand why. So, plus we had to take a couple trips to the store, and so it's just been kind of a crazy Sunday, but we are dead tired, and after we get done doing this, we're gonna go relax. So, I'm gonna scoot over and show you from a different angle. Be careful. Okay. Uh-oh. Did it strip through or didn't hit the wood?
Yeah, one or the other.
Shoot. Okay.
Question is which. So